This is a 5 inches grinderino. That is a grinderino, which is typically a 3.5 inches drone with the extended arm kit, so it's 5 inches friendly. I installed Umagod Aerolite 2004170 kV motors, running Ethix S4 lemon lime props. Really solid Halo flight controller from HG0, which has a built-in true diversity receiver. As you can see, I'm using 2 antenna. A T-Motor 45 amp ESC. I will try Halo 70 amp ESC in my next appropriate build. I installed the HG0 Freestyle V, 2 driving the HG0 Nano 90 camera with the lens modification. On top of that, I carry the Thumb Pro 4K camera in a TPU holder up front. I am using a GPS sensor mounted out on an arm. I don't seem to have the right combination of gear and mounting location, but this HG LRC M100 Mini seems to work okay sometimes. I've seen a top speed of 111 miles per hour so far. Let's go romp on this fun drone.
No pleasure. I ain't here to make friends, big stepper. Ay, bad guy, Heath Ledger. Ready for whatever, I'll be front and center. Don't fly too close to the sun, your body chopped up by propellers. Came in arrogant, but left out in a stretcher. Fuck the comparison, y'all know y'all couldn't replicate it. Chillin' in the desert, I'm good under pressure.
Stick around when we hold it down, look at what we found.
This a marathon, not a sprint, let's go 100 miles.
From the ground, we'll be to the clouds, never coming down.
That's the crown on me, wear it proud, show 'em what we bout.
Stick around when we hold it down, look at what we found.
This a marathon, not a sprint, let's go 100 miles.
From the ground, we'll be to the clouds, never coming down.
That's the crown on me, wear it proud, fuck what they was talking about. All work, no pleasure. I ain't here to make friends, big stepper. Ay, bad guy, Heath Ledger. Ready for whatever, I'll be front and center. Quick to sever, however, whoever. Raining from above, we shooting down through your umbrella. Ay, getting fed up, nothing you could tell us. Snapping every shot I take, just wait till it develops.
Stick around when we hold it down, look at what we found.
This a marathon, not a sprint, let's go 100 miles.
From the ground, we'll be to the clouds, never coming down.
That's the crown on me, wear it proud, show 'em what we bout.
Stick around when we hold it down, look at what we found.
This a marathon, not a sprint, let's go 100 miles.
From the ground, we'll be to the clouds, never coming down.
That's the crown on me, wear it proud, fuck what they was talking
Stick
about.
around when we hold it down, look at what we found. From the ground, we'll be to the clouds, never coming down. Stick around when we hold it down, look at what we found.
This a marathon, not a sprint, let's go 100 miles.
From the ground, with me to the clouds, never coming down.